morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
As you know, due to COVID situation, the Brihan Mumbai Municipal Corporation has come up with this innovative idea of online education for everyone. So, for the class standard 5th, we will study English today, degree of comparison. Okay.
Okay.
I also would like to take this opportunity to thank our officers. Myself, Mrs. Ujwala Andredes, our administrative officer, Mrs. Snehalata Dumbre, nodal beat officer, Mr. Sharad Kurade, nodal headmistress, Mrs. Mary Pushpam Paul, assistant nodal headmistress, Mrs. Manpreet Kaur Anand, and our CNO, Mr. Ratilal Kisan Burungule. On everyone's behalf, I thank all these officers. Okay, now children, we will begin this beautiful morning today with a small prayer. If possible, repeat after me. Okay? Please show me how to spend this day, sharing your love in every way. Help me to be kind to everyone, to play and laugh and have lots of fun, shining your light and giving your grace, sharing your joy with a smile on my face. So, this is a beautiful small prayer. And now, with the prayer, we will begin our lesson. Today, we will be studying degrees of comparison. I hope this topic is familiar to you, but still, we will revise the degrees of comparison. Now, I am hearing a lot of sounds in the background. Please, will you mute so that I can continue nicely? Please. Okay. So we will do degrees of comparison. Okay. Now, degrees of comparison are usually come with adjectives. Okay. So any adjective, everyone knows what adjective is. Adjectives are adjectives. We have all studied adjectives, isn't it? Few examples. Can you give me of adjective? Somebody like tall or short. No, they are describing nouns. No, they describe about something. Like the girl is short, a girl is tall, a girl is beautiful, or also the dog is small, or the dog's tail is very short. So short, long, tall, these are all adjectives. Now, here if you see, yeah, an adjective of quality changes its form when it is used to compare one noun with another. Okay, so any adjective of quality, it changes its form when we compare. You know what is comparison means? Means suppose I say Moti has a short tail. Moti is a dog and it has a short tail, and we want to compare this dog to another, like Tommy. So in that case, what happens? Then the adjective short will change. So today we will study how this adjective changes. Okay. So keep in mind an adjective of quality changes its form when it used to compare one noun with another. So this is called degree of comparison of an adjective. Okay, this is called degree of comparison of an adjective. Okay, now look at the screen. Here, what we see on the screen, we see a big house, isn't it? Here what we are seeing? We are seeing a big house.
House.
Yeah, so this is a very big house. Okay, now what does it say here? She has a big house. Can you read this for me?
She has a big house.
Yeah, so we are suppose there is somebody of your friend is there next to you and you're looking at a big house. So how we'll say she has a big house? So here big is the adjective, isn't it?
Adjective.
Big is the adjective. So now I will read this. The positive degree is used to refer to one object, person, or place without making any comparison. So here we are not making any comparison, without making any comparison. So you see, in a positive degree, now we are studying 3 degrees. Okay, the first one is the positive degree. So in the positive degree, there is no comparison made. She has a big house. She has a good friend. Uh, anything. Her friend is very kind, or he is very lazy. So this there is no comparison made. Understood? So this is a positive degree. There is no comparison made. Okay, so she has a big house. Here there is no comparison made. You got it? Okay, now we'll come to the next. Now see, the comparative degree refers to a greater degree of adjective as compared to positive degree. It is used to compare two objects, people, or places. So here in the next slide, I will show you on how we make a comparison. So in comparative degree, what happens is there are two objects. See, I will show you. See here. Now here, this is a very clear picture of comparative degree. Now here, read this. Somebody read this sentence.
Her house is bigger than my house.
Yes. So now in the positive degree, we only saw one house, right? Do you
Yes.
remember? So she has a big house. There's only one. Now here there are how many houses?
Two.
Houses. Okay. So one is big and one is small.
Small.
Right. So now we are making comparison. Ki this house is bigger than this house. Right? So here what happens is the adjective big. You remember the adjective big is changed to bigger. So this is comparative degree. What is this?
Comparative degree.
Very good. So in the comparative degree, we added ER. Okay. So we added BIGGER. So here it becomes comparative. So there is a comparison made between the two houses. So remember that in comparative degree, there will be comparison made. Okay, suppose you all are two girls. One girl is short, one girl is little tall. Suppose one girl's name is Meena and other name is Shamika. Okay, so Meena is short and Shamika is little tall. So when we compare, how I'll say ki Meena is a short girl. But suppose I want to compare to Shamika, then how I'll say Shamika is
Tall.
yes taller than Meena. Understood? So there is a comparison made. So in comparative degree, there is a comparison made between two things. That is comparative degree. So again, her house is bigger than my house. Okay, got it?
Yes.
Now we'll see the third degree, that is a superlative degree. Now in superlative degree, see, superlative degree refers to the greatest degree of adjective. Okay, so here superlative degree refers to the greatest degree of adjective. It is used to compare more than two objects. Remember that it is used to compare more than two objects. Now I'll show you. Okay, now how many houses can you see here?
Three
Three
houses.
Yes. Now you read the sentence which is given below.
His house
His house is the biggest for all.
Of all.
all.
Okay, his house is the biggest of all. Now there are three houses. One house is big, one house is little smaller, one house is
Short.
little more
Smaller.
smaller. Okay, so suppose this is small, so this is big and this is biggest. Okay, so if this is big, this is bigger and this is biggest. So there is a comparison made. Now here the comparison is not between two objects, not between two houses, between more than two. You understood? So from the all the three, which is the biggest? So here you use this is the biggest. So we will use the adjective biggest. So first we use big, okay, then we use bigger, and now we will use biggest. Got it?
Yes.
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 Okay. So this is big, isn't it? This is
Yes.
Bigger.
and this is biggest,
Biggest.
right? So looking at the picture, you can know, you can see, oh yeah, this is big, this is bigger, and this is biggest. So while using it in the sentence, suppose you want to say about the big house. So how you will say, his house is the biggest of all. That means these
Yes.
two are smaller.
Yes.
Okay. So
Yes.
just repeat after me. Positive degree,
Positive degree.
Positive degree.
comparative degree,
Comparative
Comparative
degree.
degree.
superlative degree.
Superlative degree.
degree.
Okay, now we will see some examples of how these adjectives are changed to comparative and superlative. Okay, now look here. Now here you can see positive, comparative, superlative, isn't it? Now you see here. Now suppose you are comparing three people. So this man here is dull.
Dull.
This man is dull.
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 Now this man is duller.
Duller.
This man is dullest.
Dullest.
Okay, so we add er or est to most one or two syllable words that end in consonants. So, you know vowels A, E, I, O, U and the remaining alphabets are consonants. So since it is dull, L, so we will add er for comparison and we will add est for superlative degree. So dull, dullest. Say
Dullest.
dull,
Dull.
duller,
Duller.
dullest.
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 Okay, so here this is positive degree, this is comparative degree, and this is superlative degree. So this way the adjectives change. Okay, this adjective
Okay.
forms they change. Okay, to comparative and superlative degree. Next example. Now the picture you can see.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Now in this picture, there is a comparison. Now one girl is sad. Okay, the other
Yes.
girl is sadder.
Sadder.
The next one is saddest.
Saddest.
Okay, so who is saddest of all?
The last boy.
Last
The
boy.
last boy.
Okay, so here say sad,
Sad.
Sad.
sadder,
Sadder.
Sadder.
saddest.
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 Okay, so here we are adding er and est and making changing the degree. Sad, sadder, saddest. Okay, don't forget this because end of the lecture we will be doing some exercises. Okay. Yeah. Say somebody.
Strong.
Strong.
Strongest.
Yes. So the
Strong.
first.
Stronger.
Okay.
Strongest.
Yes. The first boy in red, he is strong.
Strong.
Okay, but the blue boy is
Stronger.
yes. So he's more strong than the red boy. So he's
Strongest.
stronger. And the last green color is the
Strongest.
strongest. So again repeat strong,
Strong.
stronger,
Stronger.
strongest.
Strongest.
Okay, strong, stronger, strongest.
Strong, stronger, strongest.
Okay, now,
Short, shorter.
Short, shorter, shortest.
Shortest.
yeah. So you can see the first girl, she is short. But the next girl in yellow, she is little bit shorter.
Shorter.
And the last one is
Shortest.
Shortest.
shortest. So short,
Small,
shorter,
smaller, small.
shortest. Okay. Say short,
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 shorter,
shorter,
shortest.
shortest.
Okay. Next one we'll see.
reach,
Okay. Rich.
richer, richest.
Rich,
Richer, richest.
Yes.
richer, richest.
Okay. Very good. So the girl is rich. No? She has money. But the boy has got more money than the girl.
Richer.
Richer. And then the next girl
Girl
has got
is
more money
richest.
than both of them.
More, yes.
Yeah. So the comparison is between all the three. So she is the richest. Rich, richer, richest. Say
Rich, richer, richest.
very
Rich,
good.
richer, richest.
Yes, the spellings also you should remember. Okay, you have to add er and est. Okay, for the regular verbs.
Loud, louder, loudest.
Yes,
Loud,
loud.
louder, loudest.
Yes, so loud. Then the other girl is louder. She speaks louder, and the again on the mic she speaks
Loudest.
loudest. So loud, louder, loudest. Say
Loudest. Loud,
Louder,
louder.
loudest.
Loud, louder, loudest.
very good. Okay.
Slow,
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 slower, slow.
slowest.
Slowest.
Okay. Yes, the snail is very slow, you know, no? It's very
Yes.
slow.
Yes.
The next slow is slower, and the next snail is the
Slowest.
And also turtle was also work slowly.
Yeah, turtle walks very slowly. So, but compared to snail, maybe snail is slowest. I think so. Okay, very good. Thank you for giving a new idea. Okay. Saddest, we are done just now. Okay.
Yes.
Hmm.
Fat, fatter,
fattest.
Fattest.
fat, fatter, fattest.
Very good. So, fattest. The green boy is the fattest of all. He is fatter than the boy. Okay. Say.
Funny, funnier, funniest.
Okay. Funny, funnier, funniest. Now here, did you observe some change? We didn't add er and est. No?
ER and EST.
Now we are adding, here we are adding IER and IEST. Okay, why? Because funny is a two-syllable word. So, funny, funnier, funniest. Say, funny,
Funny, funnier,
funnier,
funniest.
Funniest.
Okay. Funny, funnier, funniest. Okay.
Fast,
Fast,
faster,
faster,
fastest.
Very good. Fast, faster, fastest. You can make the
Fast,
comparison.
faster,
isn't it?
fastest.
Yes. Okay.
Oldest.
Very good.
Oldest.
Very good. Very good. Now, here you can see the screen. Now
Yes.
there are some words which are made for you.
Fat, fatter, fattest.
Fattest.
One by one. You all only going to say. I am not going to say. But one by one. Okay. First one, read.
Fat, fatter, fattest.
Very good. Second one, read.
Hot, hotter, hottest.
Third one.
Big, bigger, biggest.
Very good. Fourth one.
Sad, sadder, saddest.
Next.
Dim, dimmer, dimmest.
Next.
Thin,
Thinner,
thinner,
thinnest.
thinnest.
Next.
Red,
Red,
redder,
redder,
reddest.
Red, redder, reddest. Okay. Okay. So more examples we'll study. Read. Dark,
darker, darkest.
brave,
Braver, bravest. Sweet, sweeter, sweetest. Slow, slower, slowest.
tall,
taller,
Tallest. Long, longer, longest. Pretty, prettier, prettiest.
Okay, okay. So if I give you some exercise to do, you will come to know, isn't it? You tell me the answer. Ready?
Yes.
First, we'll see some more comparison. Read this. Big.
Big,
bigger,
big.
Okay.
Good, better, best.
Okay. Now you saw over here why it is not good, good or goodest. Isn't it?
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Why it is good, good or it is good. And
Better,
suppose
best.
somebody is better than and somebody is more good, then we can say better.
Better.
And then we say best. So
Best.
these are some exceptions. Okay. These are
Yes.
some good, better, best. Okay.
Better,
Best.
Okay. Next one.
Lucky, luckier, luckiest.
Lucky, luckier, luckiest. Next hot.
hotter, hottest.
Okay. Hot, hotter, hottest.
Hottest.
Then
Bad,
worse,
worse.
yes, here also these are these are some exceptions.
Not baddest.
Bad.
Badder.
No, yes, it is
Not
bad.
baddest.
If it is more bad, we say worse. Okay, suppose say some teacher is saying, no, suppose handwriting is bad, then teacher is saying your handwriting is bad, your handwriting is worse, and your handwriting is worse. Okay, so the comparison here: bad, worse, worst. You have to study this by heart. Okay, bad, worse,
Worse,
worst.
worse.
Now, okay, these are some examples of irregular adjectives.
Far, farther, farthest.
Others. Far,
Farther, farthest.
small,
Small, smaller, smallest.
smallest. Okay. Now here, see, adjectives of one syllable, they add er and est, which we saw just now. Okay. So strong, stronger,
Stronger,
strongest.
strong,
Okay, you all read. Come on, strong.
Stronger, the strongest.
Okay, wise,
wiser, the wisest.
wisest. Dry,
Drier, the driest.
Driest.
driest. Dry, drier,
Hot,
driest.
hotter, the hotterest.
Yes, hot, hotter,
Hottest.
hottest. Okay. So these are having only one syllable, and so they become er and est. We can add and we can make the adjectives to compare in this way. Okay, now these are the words which are adjectives which are irregular. Okay, so here we don't add er or est. These are little different. So we'll see this. Just now which we saw bad, worse.
Bad, worse, the worst.
Yes, you never, while speaking, we will never say badder. Hey, your handwriting is badder. No,
Yes.
your handwriting is worse. Okay, so
Good,
bad,
better, the best.
Better, the best.
good, better, best. Okay,
The
you want to
best.
say, my mother's cooking is better than my auntie's. So you say better. We don't say gooder. Okay, good, better, best. Okay, now it is far. it is
Far, further, the
furthest.
farthest.
When it is far and it is more far than further, it is again more farther further. When it is little, we don't say
Farther, the far.
farther. This is little less.
Little less, the least.
Yes, so like little
Less,
more, little is
the
less. And it is most,
Ma'am,
it is
also father's spelling is similar that far, farther.
yeah, father.
F-A-R-T-H-E-R,
So
also
further,
father's
yeah,
spelling
you
is
can say, yeah, you can say father, farthest. You can say further and furthest. Okay. Okay. Little less least. Say, repeat after me.
little
less, least.
Least. Much
Much more the most.
the
Yeah.
Much more the most.
Most. And if it is many also, many,
Many,
then more.
More
or
the most.
most.
Okay, many children, more children, most children, more, most. So these are the irregular adjectives. Okay, and they change the degrees in this way. Okay. Now, here are some adjectives which you will tell me the answer.
Yes.
Okay. Now, here, big, bigger, biggest is given. Hot. What will come here?
Hotter,
Hot.
Hottest.
Yes, yes. Hotter, hotter, hottest. Very
H-U
good.
double
Very good.
H-U-double-T-E-R and H-U-double-T-E-S-T.
T. Very good. Very good. Hot, hotter, hottest. Here.
sicker, sickest.
Okay.
S-I-C-K-E-R. Sickest.
Okay. No need of spellings. No need of spellings. You can just because you are in fifth standard, so you know the spellings. Very good. Rich.
Richest.
Richest.
Yes.
R-I-C-H-E-R.
Very good. Very good.
R-I-C-H-E-S.
Strong.
Yeah. Okay.
Stronger, strongest.
Okay. Stronger. Strongest. E-R-N-E-S-T. Soft.
Softer, softest.
Okay. Soft. Softer. Softest. Very good. Cold.
Colder, coldest.
Yes.
Coldest.
Okay. Poor.
Poorer, poorest.
Poorest. Poorest. How you pronounce?
Poorest.
Poorer. Poorest. Loud.
Louder. Loudest.
Louder. Loudest. Very good.
Wealthy.
Wealthy.
Wealthier. Wealthiest.
Yes, wealthy. Now there is Y here. Okay. There is Y here. So the spelling will go how?
W-E-A-L-T-H-I.
I.
E-I-E-R.
C. Okay. Here it is ending with Y. So it will become wealthiest and wealthier. Okay. So here
Yes.
wealthiest and wealthier. Rough.
Rougher, roughest.
Rough, rougher,
Roughest.
rougher, roughest. Weak.
Weaker, weakest.
Weakest.
Okay. Quiet,
Quieter, quietest.
quietest.
Shorter,
Shortest.
Yes, shortest. Remember, so here, if the adjective ends with Y, okay, then you have to replace Y with I.
I.
That you remember. If it is ending with Y, you have to replace it with I. Okay, some examples I can give you like lazy. Lazy will come what? Lazier. Okay, if it is lazy, it will come lazier. Y will become I. Okay, Y will become I. Got it?
Yes.
Yes. If it is heavy, it will become heavier. So Y will become I. Okay. Just tell me the comparative and superlative. Big, bigger.
Biggest.
Okay, we are revising this. Sad.
Saddest.
Very good. Mad.
Maddest.
Very good. Red.
Reddest.
Hot.
Hottest.
Wet.
Wettest.
Dim.
Dimmest.
Trim.
Trimmest.
Slim.
Slimmest.
Yes. Okay. Now this is a simple comparison which we studied. In the next lesson, I will give you all like sentences to add adjectives. Okay. That will be in the next lesson. Okay. Thank you so much, children.
Thank you.